The 10 worst cooking oils you should never put in your body. If you're trying to eat better, feel better, or just not wreck your body one stir fry at a time, then listen up. Because some of those golden liquids you drizzle into your pan, they're basically toxic sludge in disguise. They're highly inflammatory, ultra-processed, and downright harmful, especially when used at high heat or too often. Yeah, it's that bad. So let's jump right in and go over the worst offenders you should avoid. And don't worry, I'll also throw in some healthier swaps because I'm not about to leave you hanging. Number 1, vegetable oil, aka the Frankenstein blend. Vegetable oil sounds healthy, and you may think, hey, I eat vegetables. This must be fine. It isn't. This stuff is a mystery mix, usually soybean, corn, and canola, all ultra-processed, deodorized, and stripped of anything remotely good. Worse, it's loaded with omega-6 fatty acids. Now, omega-6s aren't evil in small doses, but the modern diet is drowning in them, and that imbalance fuels chronic inflammation. We're talking joint pain, skin issues, heart problems, the whole mess. Swap it for avocado oil or cold-pressed olive oil. Way better flavor, and they won't silently sabotage your health. Number 2, soybean oil, the sneaky one. If vegetable oil is a problem, soybean oil is the ringleader. It's cheap, everywhere, and honestly, kind of terrifying. It's the most consumed oil in the US and also one of the most genetically modified and chemically processed. High consumption of soybean oil has actually been linked in animal studies to neurological changes and potential hormone disruption. Yikes! Swap it for extra virgin olive oil, or ghee. Both are gentler on your system and actually come with benefits, unlike this oily imposter. Number 3, corn oil. Engineered for shelf life, not health. Corn oil is another one of those oils you probably didn't think twice about. It's in salad dressings, mayo, margarine, and baked goods. But behind the scenes, it's cooked up from GMO corn, chemically bleached, and refined until it's basically unrecognizable. The real danger here is oxidation. Corn oil breaks down super fast when heated, and those oxidized fats can damage cells and mess with your heart health. Think clogged arteries and increased risk of disease. Swap it for grass-fed butter or even coconut oil for lower heat cooking. Your heart will thank you. Number 4, canola oil, the big fat lie. Canola oil has one of the best PR teams out there. It's constantly being marketed as heart healthy, but the truth is, it's been heavily processed and deodorized to mask its rancid smell. Not kidding. Most canola oil is also made from genetically modified rapeseed and extracted with toxic solvents like hexane. You're not just getting oil, you're getting a dose of chemical leftovers. It also breaks down at high heat, which means all those supposed health benefits, gone. Just saute in avocado oil instead. It has a high smoke point and none of the chemical baggage. Number 5, cottonseed oil. This one's just wrong. Let's put it this way, cotton isn't even a food crop, and yet we somehow ended up making oil out of it. Cottonseed oil contains gossypol, a natural toxin meant to ward off insects. Guess what? It doesn't disappear when you bottle it, and it's also super high in omega-6 fats. It's like a double whammy of inflammation and toxicity. You'll usually find this one in junk food like potato chips, snack cakes, and in fast food fryers. Just avoid it altogether. Number 6, grapeseed oil. Not as healthy as it sounds. This one tricks a lot of people. Grapes are healthy. Wine's got antioxidants. So, grapeseed oil must be good, right? Nope. Grapeseed oil is made from the leftovers of winemaking. And while that might sound sustainable, it's not good for your body. It's very high in omega-6 fats, and it's almost always extracted using hexane and other harsh chemicals. It's also super unstable under heat, as in, it oxidizes fast, turning into something your body definitely doesn't want to process. Use cold-pressed walnut oil for dressings or avocado oil for cooking. Way safer, and they taste better too. Number 7, palm oil, especially the cheap stuff. This one is controversial for several reasons. Environmentally, it's a disaster. Massive deforestation, endangered species, etc. And from a health perspective, the refined, deodorized versions used in processed food are full of contaminants formed during high heat processing. These include glycidyl fatty acid esters, which the European Food Safety Authority flagged as potentially carcinogenic. It's in everything from instant noodles to frozen pizza to cookies. Look for sustainable, unrefined red palm oil if you must use it. Otherwise, skip it and go for more transparent oils. Number 8, cooking sprays. Read the fine print. You might think that a spray of olive oil is harmless, but look closer. Most cooking sprays contain a whole cocktail of propellants, anti-foaming agents, and additives. Even when the main ingredient is decent, the rest of the can is not great. Plus, a lot of butter-flavored or canola-based sprays are just highly processed oils in disguise. Buy a refillable amber glass spray bottle and fill it with real avocado or olive oil instead. Simple, clean, and no mystery chemicals. Number 9, light or refined oils. The over-processed pretenders. Any oil labeled as light or refined might sound clean and healthy, but don't fall for it. These oils are typically ultra-processed, meaning they've been stripped of flavor, color, and nutrients to make them look clear and neutral. But in the process, they're also exposed to high heat, chemical solvents, and bleaching agents, which can leave behind harmful byproducts. What you're left with is an oil that may last longer on the shelf, but wreaks havoc in your body. Stick with oils labeled cold-pressed, extra virgin, or unrefined. These are minimally processed and actually bring some nutritional value to the table without the chemical baggage. Number 10, margarine and shortening, the fake butter nightmare. These two should have been canceled decades ago, and I just had to include them. Margarine and shortening are highly hydrogenated fats, aka trans fats, made by chemically altering liquid oils through hydrogenation. These guys raise bad cholesterol, lower the good kind, and clog your arteries like it's their full-time job. Even though trans fats are banned in many countries now, some products still sneak them in under labels like zero trans fat, as long as it's under 0.5 grams per serving. Quite shady, if you ask me. Keep your eyes peeled. If it says partially hydrogenated, that's your cue to toss it. Use real butter from grass-fed cows or unrefined coconut oil. Yes, they're fats, but they're natural and much safer. The bottom line, just because it's on the shelf doesn't mean it's safe. But you've got options. Real, whole food-based oils, like the ones I mentioned, are easier on your body and taste way better too. What's your favorite? Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one.